Good evening, Cockrill parents and students, and welcome to our family grading night. This is your very proud principal, Dr. Comer, coming to you this evening with some very important information for all parents and students. So I'm so very glad that you all had the opportunity to come out and share some time with us this evening. So the title of our presentation is Staying Informed, Checking Your Students' Progress in Schoology. Parents, it's very important that during this space that we do certain things to help our boys and girls to be successful. And so the main purpose of this evening is to talk about some things that you can do to promote success for our virtual learners. At the beginning of this week, we had progress reports and notices of concerns to go out to all students who had earned D's and F's on their progress reports. Those progress reports were sent home with all students on Tuesday who attend in person, and they were mailed out to all students who attend virtually. So parents, if you have a virtual student and you have not received a progress report, please look in the mail for that. And again, those progress reports were only for students who have received D's and F's. The process that we're going to go through this evening will allow you to access your students' progress in our Schoology platform. I have a few reminders for success. Students must log into Schoology every day to be counted present. Parents, it's so very important that the boys and girls understand and that you understand that our students must log on to this platform daily in order to be counted as attending school for that day. If they do not log on to Schoology, they will be counted as absent. And so we're also in the process of informing parents who have students with multiple absences. Please realize and understand that our policy and the process is that once a student has missed 5 days, they will receive a letter from the school with follow-up. So parents, it is very, very important that you make sure that your child logs on to Schoology each day. Now let's talk about assignments, quizzes, and tests. So during your synchronous instruction time, synchronous instruction is when the boys and girls or when your child is expected to be face-to-face with your child's teacher. This is very important and we have a virtual schedule to follow. Our day starts at 8 each morning with our morning meeting and daily opening. It is important that the boys and girls log on to their teacher each day so that they can get their assignments and then also log on throughout the day at their assigned times for their ELA block and their math block. Assignments are housed in Schoology and they must be completed asynchronously. This means, parents, that our boys and girls, that your child has to have time during the day outside of being online with his or her teacher to complete these assignments. Once those assignments are completed, they must be uploaded into Schoology so that the teacher can grade them and then document student progress. Teachers are available daily for office hours from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. So I really encourage you, if you do not or have not, or if you have questions about how your child is progressing, please make sure that you pay attention through this presentation and just know that we are available as a school all day, every day for you to call and contact us, but specifically, we have office hours for all teachers from 1 to 2 o'clock each day. At this time, I'm going to go over a few steps on how to get started with your Schoology account. One of the first things you're going to do is you're going to go to your web browser and access www.schoology.com. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you're going to hover over Sign Up. Select Parent from the options in the drop-down menu and then enter your parent access code. We have provided these codes to all parents. If you do not have a code, please contact your child's teacher and that your teacher will provide a code for you. Also, parents, we're going to follow up with these steps with the video, so don't worry about if you miss out on any of the steps. Also, you want to make sure that you go to the schoologyapp.com and enter your email address and password and click login. This is how you actually go to the logs website. Once you have an account, you want to make sure that you download the Schoology app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Tap the icon to open it into your device, and this will just make it easier for you to access this through an app. Once you launch the app and enter Metro Nashville Public Schools in the search bar, you're going to select Metro Nashville Public Schools, and you can then use the email address or username to log into the application, and then just tap login to complete. Again, you'll see that in the video shortly. In checking students' grades, to review your students' progress, you're going to click on your name in the upper right-hand corner and select your student. You're going to click on enrollments to get a quick snapshot of your student's current course grades. You can click on the name of the course you want to open and review. Click on the Grades tab in the left-hand navigation menu, and then you're going to click on the title of items to view the submission scores and any academic feedback that your child's teacher has given. These resources are available in all languages, and if you go to our website, there's a place there, www.mnps.org/digital tools. There's a space there for checking your student progress in Schoology. If you click there, you'll go over and see all of the different PDF files on these quick guides on how to actually access this, and they're in all languages. At this time, if you would, please allow a couple of minutes to view this video. By the way, this video is also available on YouTube. It can be accessed from your teacher Schoology page. It can also be accessed from our school website. We'll make sure that that's loaded there.
Yeah.
So parents, that is the end of our presentation. I do want to end our time together with just a few reminders again. Parents, it is so very important that we make sure that our boys and girls log on to Schoology each day and that they complete their assignments. We are here as a school. All of the teachers, all of our staff are able and willing to help you guys log on if you need access and help. If you are having technology issues, if you're having computer issues, please call us at the school and give us the opportunity to help you, because it's very important that our boys and girls access the curriculum and that they access it daily, because once we do get back into school, we want our boys and girls to be up to par subject and skill wise. So it is very important that we take the time and engage in our students in learning each and every day. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the office at 615-298-8075. You can also access your child's teacher each day during their office hours from 1 to 2. If you're not available during those hours, if you call the school, we will make sure that the teacher gets your messages and that the teacher will actually respond to you. Also, feel free to reach out to me at carlos.comer@mnps.org, or our Dean of Instruction, Ms. Robin Southard, at robin.southard@mnps.org, or our Classroom Management Specialist, Mr. Joe Fitzgerald, at joefitzgerald at mnps.org.